Yo, what's up everybody? I'm here in Sedona, Arizona on vacation, right? And I thought I'd put this little workout together for you to show you that you can get a workout in anytime, anywhere, even with limited space. So check it out. I'm here in my hotel. You can see that, give you a little panorama here. Just pretty average, normal looking hotel, right? Not a lot of space in here at all. So it's easy to look at something like this and say, oh, I don't have the space, I don't have the time, I can't get it in. Nonsense. Check it out. I've got a little workout here I kind of put together, and you can even use this for yourself. Remember, whether you're at home, on the go, if you're on a business trip, vacation, anything like that. It's just 5 exercises, right? And they're all body weight, so you don't need any equipment. Squats, number 1. Plank twist, number 2, which I'll give you a little modification on for too, in case this is too challenging. The floor bridge, jumping jacks, and then the twister. So what you do is you're gonna do 16 reps of each one of those exercises, the first 3, and then 30 reps on the last 2, and rest for 15 seconds in between each exercise. Once you get to the end of the circuit, which is obviously number 5 here, you would rest for 1 to 2 minutes and then repeat the whole thing over again. So I'll go ahead and show it to you in real time here so you can see what that looks like and get kind of an idea from a visual. All right, so first thing, squats. So you get the feet, here I'll face you, a little more than hip width apart, toes pointed out just a little bit, slightly on an angle, about 15 degrees. Keep the hands right in front of the body and then sink down. Exhaling, go as low as you can. Inhale back up. Remember, you can manipulate the tempo on this depending on what you're doing, how advanced you are. I'm just going at kind of an average 2-1-2 tempo. 2 seconds down, 1 second hold, and then 2 seconds back up. I believe that was 6 right there. 7, and I'm just gonna cut it off on this one. We'll go halfway through, 8. So then you rest for 15 seconds, right? And go right from there to the plank twist. So the plank twist, a couple ways you can do it. One is on the ground, so I'll start with that. So you're in a push-up position, and then what you do from here with the hands close together is you just twist with one arm up, like so, toward the ceiling, and then you exhale, bring it back down, rotate the other arm, so you're alternating, and then repeat. Now, you go back and forth like this, again, inhaling up, exhaling down. But that might be a little too challenging for some people, so what you can do is find an inclined surface, right, and do the exact same thing. So, this seems pretty sturdy right here. We'll try this. Perfect, right? So you get the couch, so you just put your hands in the same position, and you repeat and do the same thing. Check it out, right? So again, you're just getting creative here and thinking of ways to get your exercise in. Just use the world around you, use your environment, and think of some ways that you can kind of get it in. Next is the bridge. So the floor bridge, remember you're on your back, the feet go right in front of the butt, hands are on the ground flat, so you're rotating the pelvis, inhaling up, squeezing the glutes at the top, and then exhaling down. Make sure that you're rotating your pelvis posteriorly as you come up. So you're going vertebrae by vertebrae as you rise up, and also as you come down in reverse. So again, I'm going to abbreviate that because I don't want to go through the whole thing. I'm going to be here forever. Jumping jacks. So this one, 30, and then the twist are finally 30. So good old jumping jacks, right? Make sure I don't whack my fan above my head. Boom. Knock out 30 of those. Rest for 15 seconds. And the twister, last but not least, you put your hands together like this. You got to pretend you have a medicine ball, because normally this is done with a resistance. You do this with a medicine ball in your hands. But you can just do it without. Just kind of hold the hands together like this. What you're doing is you're rotating side to side, right? Getting a little bit of a pivot in the back foot. You actually don't need a huge pivot on this one like you normally do for twisting exercises, but you're going basically as quickly as you can like this. 30 times. And then when you get to the end, number 30, You're done, you take a 1 to 2 minute rest, and then you rinse and repeat. So that's a little nugget right there for you. No matter where you are, you can always get a workout in. Be creative, think outside the box, and use your environment to your advantage. Hope you're having a good day. I'm out of here. I'm gonna go explore Sedona. Later.